Pretty aggressively bottom of the candle there. You just want to go see if we get this lower high here, supply. See if we get that first trim in. There we go. First trim's in. Alright. Cool. So now we have gaps open below, so stop's going to be break even on the rest, but they'll look to trim towards, or the hold towards the gaps. Look to trim on this little break of this low here. Stop's going to be break even on the rest. Didn't talk through that entry as much as probably should have. It was kind of something else, just kind of on the run. We got these nice reactions from supply early and saw us making that lower high there. Here's some the lows. See if we can pop through it. I'm trying to wick at it here. See if we can get a good pop through this low and I'll look to trim. See if we can get a pop through. It is trying to hold though. Even if we're just gonna wick below it, I like to play the trims on breaks of these levels just because you get that kind of momentum pop through. Versus you just playing at it, kind of get stuck in some not great fills. So let's see what we get here. We are struggling at them though, but I think this break here gives us a decent pop. We get it. There we go. Yep, there we go. That's that pop down I was looking for. Very nice. Cool. So I'm gonna hold the rest until the gap, the right. Ooh, there you go. Could have even waited for that pop. Whatever. Looking to hold the rest until these gaps, or I might piece them off if we start getting some momentum moves down, but ideally you want to see these gaps tested. This is a nice wick here coming in. Ideally you want to see us hold below that previous low. Stop probably get moved towards 513.35-ish area now. Yeah, I held for that break, but I took the baby break instead of waiting for that pop. That was the pop I'm typically talking about. But I'm going to take one off into this momentum move down. I'll leave 3. Stop above like 517.4. Just because we are trying to wick this a little bit, but I want to hold the rest of these until the gap levels. So as long as we're below like 517.35, 517.4-ish, I'll look to hold these. So you often see when you test these type of low a day, high a day, pre-market high, pre-market lows, even if it's just a wick through, you'll often get some type of pop through like that, and that's generally where I like to trim versus like at the level. You can get better movement on those contracts, which got the pop, just kind of trimmed a little bit before the real pop, but that's alright. It was the right idea. Right execution idea. Just need to hold that a little bit better. We are wicking heavily below this. So this might be coming back up to get it, which would be okay. I want to hold these last ones until the gaps, or I'm gonna let this stop get hit if it's going to, but this is definitely a not ideal wick below this previous low a day point. But just leaving the hard stop in now. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. Green trade regardless, so looking to get more out of this if it's gonna give it. If not, it's fine as well. Gotta give this a chance. Alright, there it goes. Alright. Not a bad scope. 84. It's alright. I was looking for more out of it, but I really bottom wicked pretty heavily. So